Hello everyone, Amit Aura from EcoVisioneer. We were all eagerly awaiting for the deleted portion to be announced by CBSE for the economic CBSE exam 2020-21. So today CBSE is out with the deleted portion. Today I'll be discussing economics CBSE deleted part with you. Let us start with class 11th. Class 11th इन्होंने क्या किया है? They have in stats they have cut measures of dispersion in which range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, and their coefficients have been cut. So only thing which remains is standard deviation. So standard deviation is still a part of our syllabus. So only standard deviation has to be done in dispersion. On the other hand, in correlation, they have cut Spearsman rank correlation, whereas Carl Pearson's method is still in the syllabus to be done, and scatter diagram. Index number, index of industrial production has been deleted, which usually we were not doing. So we were just doing it pretty okay. Then in microeconomics, the concepts of production possibility frontier has been deleted, which was a main part of introduction. Usually all the schools have already done. And producers equilibrium, meaning and its condition in terms of MRMC is gone. TRTC we were previously doing, it was not in syllabus. So the whole topic of producer equilibrium is deleted. And market forms, already oligopoly was gone. So only perfect competition has to be taught, as monopoly and monopolistic competition has been deleted. Let us see the more important part, that is class 12th money banking. We have topics deleted are the control of credit through bank rate CRR. It does not make any difference as we do the same topic in ADAS, inflation and deflation control measures. We have this topic again, so we are doing that monetary policy in that chapter already, so nothing cut as such. Whereas in balance of payment, the balance of payment deficit, only deficit meaning is gone. Determination of exchange rate in free market, that is demand and supply. Free market is floating, वो diagram जो था demand और supply, how the exchange rate is determined under free market, that is being cut. Rest everything is there. Current account, capital account, everything is there. For fixed exchange rate, flexible exchange rate, everything is there. Just determination of the rate using that demand and supply diagram has been deleted. When we come to Indian economic development, also nothing as such has been changed. The growth of education sector in India with some stats has been deleted. And alternative organic farming, which was an important topic actually, we've already taught, it is deleted. The organic farming is gone. And in infrastructure, the power, the energy. So one, your economic infrastructure, that is energy, which is deleted. Rest everything is same. So I don't think so it is a 25% delete in this syllabus. It is just 5 to 10% deleted in economics. So not much of a difference in eco. Thank you very much. Take care.